Basically, when patients call our office to ask us how much will implant cost, we always encourage them to come to our office for a full evaluation. And the reason is we want to make sure they're suitable for dental implants. We want to make sure if they have enough bone for dental implants or we need to use some graft material before placing the implant. So we always encourage them to come once we do the clinical evaluation, once we take the 3D scan, and then we can come out with the cost of their treatment. We always provide the different financing options for their treatment. Even we use companies that they can give them financing loans for them to complete their treatment. So what we always make sure before our patients leave our office or before we start any procedure, they know and they understand the cost of their treatment. We want to make sure there's nothing hidden once they leave the office. There are a lot of factors that contribute the cost of dental implants. So once we do the full evaluation, we determine if you're suitable right away for the dental implant or any other material that needs to be done or any other treatment that needs to be done prior to a dental implant. So we always encourage our patients to come to our office for evaluation so we can provide the best dental care and give them the happy smile back.